An accelerated digital transformation is fostering cloud and edge infrastructure to grow exponentially. Data center product refresh cycles are shortening, forcing hyperscalers to reconsider the whole life cycle of their servers and hardware to avoid potential e-waste problems at a massive global scale. Today, circularity and sustainability are playing an essential role in data center architecture. Hyperscalers are looking for ways to reduce environmental impact with minimized building footprints, water conservation, use of renewable energy, e-waste recycling, and reusing and repurposing equipment to extend its useful lifespan. At Flex, sustainability remains a cornerstone of our long-term strategy, and we are uniquely positioned to enable secure, circular economy solutions for hyperscalers. We are at the forefront of circularity innovations and provide refurbishment services for all infrastructure within a data center, including racks, servers, and switches, maximizing recovery yields to enable resale and second life opportunities. For complex IP requirements, we offer demanufacturing services, where key storage components are securely harvested and all data is wiped out to the highest industry standards. Our award-winning CO2 reporting tool measures, tracks, and manages environmental and financial impacts of a device in every step of the value chain. This allows for improvements to the supply chain and aftermarket services decisions to assist our customers transition into net zero emissions. Flex Circular Economy Solutions help optimize the value of data center equipment to ensure conscious asset recovery and recycling practices to reduce ecological footprint. These solutions provide an answer for all hardware in circulation to be repurposed by reclaiming parts for repair or recycling paths to avoid disposal, reducing landfill e-waste, providing a closed-loop recovery for rare earth metals, and minimizing carbon emissions. Sustainability is part of our DNA. We are ready to help minimize environmental impact and to maximize visibility and value recovery. With our sustainability and circularity stewardship, together, we can create the extraordinary.